Nuñez. I am the Case Management Director for the Student Wellbeing Office here at Rice University. And I had the pleasure of attending Carlos Malave's presentation, Our Father Son. Carlos is an amazing speaker, very engaging, was able to make connections very quickly in the room, made it a safe space, was able to engage with all folks in the room, and I think also made it a space where people felt comfortable sharing things that were personal to them, even if they didn't know everyone in the room. Great experience. I think students walked away with some skills, and also a lot of work was done to reduce the stigma of speaking about mental health or speaking about traumas that have been experienced. I definitely recommend the program. I think Carlos, like I said, is an amazing speaker, brings a lot of positive energy, has a great mix of being able to infuse humor, activities, and also allowing the space for when topics become a lot more serious. So again, great job, Carlos. Keep up the great work.